Hi, and welcome to our talk. I'm Nađa and I will present our paper, MEMEories, Internet Memes as Means for Daily Journaling. My co-authors are Florian and Svenja, also from the LMU Munich, and Daniel from the University of Bayreuth. What are Internet memes? The Oxford Dictionary defines a meme as an element of a culture or system of behavior passed from one individual to another by imitation or other non-genetic means. The internet has set a perfect breeding ground for the spread of memes, so today a meme is commonly known as an internet meme. Internet memes are passed among people via the internet while continually being copied and modified. Related work has shown that internet memes, although humorous, have turned into a crucial instrument of self-portrayal, profound commentators of serious societal phenomena, as well as a common means for everyday communication between people to express emotional reactions. In some ways, the virtual community is already reflecting on itself and its surroundings via internet memes. Complementary to that premise, within our work we ask, to what extent can people express and reflect on themselves with internet memes in daily journaling? In more details, we ask the following three sub-questions. What types of insights do internet memes facilitate? How do people create and review memes for journaling? And what benefits and challenges arise for memes in journaling? To address these questions, we built MEMEory, a mobile daily journaling app with memes as the main unit of input. The app, developed in Android, provides two main functionalities, creating meme-based journal entries and presenting the same in the opening screen as a feed. We scraped the meme web-base knowyourmeme.com and collected over 600 meme templates the user could choose from when creating a meme entry. Alternatively, users could upload own memes from their image gallery. Once a meme was chosen, users could style the meme and add text to the top, the middle, or the bottom of the meme image. The last step of creating a meme entry consists of shortly annotating the meaning behind the meme. Once the meme was created, it would appear in the starting feed. We tested MEMEory and consequently the concept of using internet memes as journaling input over the course of a week, using written diaries as point of comparison for another week. In a 2-week mixed method field study with 31 participants, we gave participants the task of creating a diary entry at least once a day, representing their day in a diary-like fashion. We encouraged participants to create additional entries whenever they felt like it during the day. After filling out a questionnaire and downloading the app from the Play Store, participants used the app either in me mode or text mode for 1 week, ending the week with a post-condition questionnaire. The same would then apply for another week, just with the opposite condition. The field study ended with a final questionnaire comparing the two conditions. In the final questionnaire, participants could opt in for a subsequent in-depth interview. The question set of the 4 questionnaires contained questions on demographics and previous experience with journaling and memes. There were overall 14 open-end text questions and 3 5-point Likert scale questions on participants' motivation, enjoyment, and difficulty to journal, both with the single conditions as well as for general journaling in the end. Furthermore, we collected metadata about the app usage. We registered the exact time, date, duration, and location of creating, viewing, or deleting an entry. After creating an entry, the app would pop an experience sampling alert asking for participants in the moment emotional, physical, social, and task context. The optional subsequent interview was semi-structured and individually adapted. It contained in-depth questions regarding participants' journaling experience with MEMEory. We fully transcribed the interviews and together with the open-end questions executed an open coding thematic analysis. We present both a quantitative and qualitative analysis of our resulting dataset, focusing on data about participants' experiences with the journaling types. First, we present interesting findings from our quantitative analysis. The analysis of a set of data collected with the MEMEory app, namely the app usage, showed following. In the app, we registered 492 journal entries, 243 meme-based and 249 text-based entries. Participants spent more time on creating a meme entry than on a text entry. Interestingly, participants viewed memes 206 times in retrospect compared to 100 views for diary entries. We observed the emotional sentiment the diary entries transmitted. We used the quasi-Poisson model for the sentiment count data and applied the Bonferroni correction. The analysis showed that memes lend themselves to be used for negative experiences, or negative experiences were chosen when creating memes. In contrast, text lends itself to be used for mixed experiences, or mixed experiences were chosen when creating a text entry. Following, we coded the journal records on whether the record presents a single happening or sums multiple events up. We again used the quasi-Poisson model for this count data with Bonferroni correction. The analysis confirmed the fit of memes focusing on one visual scene, whereas text may better afford itself for including multiple aspects in a more chronicle, where I was, who I was with, what I was doing style. Finally, we compared the Likert ratings on perceived enjoyment, motivation, and difficulty to journal between meme journaling and text journaling with Wilcoxon-signed rank tests. The meme journal was rated as significantly more enjoyable than the written diary. Moreover, people rated their motivation as significantly higher for the meme diary than for the text diary. At the same time, participants rated the meme journal as significantly more difficult than the written diary. Our qualitative analysis of the dataset included an open-coding thematic analysis of the answers from the open-end text questions, together with the in-depth interviews. This analysis resulted in 4 main recurring themes regarding meme journaling. Quantitative results showed that the meme construction process required more time than creating a text entry. Participants confirmed this effort in their qualitative statements too. However, when meming, participants filtered their daily happening and as a result reported special single events, activities, or emotions. As P7 pointed out, it made them think about whether the overall outcome of the day was good or bad. Our participants noted that the contained expressiveness of memes, that is, the emotional connotation, without having to specifically express it, as P14 said, was experienced as both a benefit and drawback. Essentially, most participants liked the idea of meming and the process of crafting memes itself. For example, P21 took bad stuff with more humor than usually. However, some participants felt pressured to be funny, which is not always the case with some type of events, such as funerals. Finally, participants claimed to remember events they memed about better. For P21, it was a nice way of getting reminded of accomplishments and progresses. Combining the quantitative and qualitative data, we present 4 discussion and future work points here. First, our results match with the findings of Elston et al., who pointed out that the various journaling forms, pictures, text, sensor data, and so on, are as layers, each validated each other. Accordingly, we present memes as an additional form in journaling, and future work could explore the interplay of memes not only with text, but also with, for example, images or sensor data. Although participants memed mainly about negative events, meming helped them to overcome such events, offering some kind of emotional coping. These results are in line with research on humor, which says that practicing humor can turn the negative into more positive. Future work could explore the benefits and challenges of MEMEory for people suffering from, for example, depression or anxiety. Similar to related work, we have too found that journaling is a reflective process itself, nonetheless amplified with memes. Whereas within a text diary, participants could write more in detail, when journaling with memes, participants paid more attention to details, which is one characteristic of self-reflection. In that sense, future work could explore the role of internet memes and thus humor on, for example, different levels of reflection by Fleck and Fitzpatrick. Our participants viewed their meme entries in retrospect, and some shared their meme diaries with family and friends, congruent to the finding of Meckler and Hornbeck. However, in their work, memes were depicted as a momentary experience of pleasure. Opposed to it, future work might consider exploring whether internet memes could be perceived as a more meaningful technology by the means of MEMEory. Thank you very much for your attention.